Don't squeeze them, just pet them. Yellow? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's yellow, that's right. Mm-hmm. You got yellow, that's right. You got some yellow ones. Yellow chickens. How many did you get? How many yellow ones? 3. 3 yellow chickens. Be easy. Don't squeeze them. Where you want them to go? Oh, okay. They want to be around the lamp because it's warm. The lamp is warm. Mm-hmm. The lamp is warm. Mommy's got the lamp rigged up on the fake ficus tree. Mm-hmm. Go right there? Oh, I don't think they're going to do what you ask them to do. Move the light? That's a sweet girl. Don't put your mouth on the box, okay? They pooped in the paper? Mommy will get it up tomorrow, okay? See, there's little yellow ones that have feathers on their feet.